Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to claim ZOO on KuCoin. First, ensure you have a verified KuCoin account. If you do not have one, please create an account and complete the necessary identity verification steps. This is crucial for secure transactions and full access to all exchange functionalities. Remember, claiming ZOO on KuCoin means you will be depositing tokens you already possess from another source into your KuCoin wallet. This guide will walk you through each essential step. Next, you need to locate your specific ZOO deposit information on KuCoin. From the main dashboard, find and click on the Assets section. Within your assets, choose Deposit and then use the search bar to find ZOO token. Once selected, KuCoin will display a unique deposit address and a memo. It is absolutely vital to copy both of these accurately, as they are essential for your tokens to arrive safely. Now, switch to the platform or wallet where your ZOO tokens are currently stored. Look for the withdrawal or send option for your ZOO tokens. When prompted for the destination address, paste the ZOO deposit address you copied from KuCoin. Also, ensure you paste the memo into its designated field. Double-check both the address and memo for accuracy before proceeding, as incorrect details could result in lost funds. After initiating the withdrawal, confirm the transaction on your sending platform. The time it takes for your ZOO tokens to appear in your KuCoin account can vary, typically ranging from a few minutes to several hours, depending on network congestion. You can monitor the deposit status in your KuCoin deposit history or assets section. Once confirmed by the network, your ZOO tokens will be available for trading or holding on KuCoin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.